6 divided by 1 over 3, then times 3. We can easily cancel this 3 and this 3. So here we have just 1, and 6 divided by 1 gives us just 6. Okay? But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. Okay? If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this division, 6 divided by 1 over 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 6 times just 3, and again we have here times 3. 6 times 3 gives us 18. So 18 times 3, which equals 54. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 54.